ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापं न चैव सुकृतं विभुः अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति चन्दवः तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः। Fifth chapter, Karma Sannyasa Yogam, 15th sloka. In this, Bhagavan Krishna, in couple of sloka, Bhagavan Krishna again talks about Jnana Yogam and Atma, the doer, non-doer, Karma Phala, all those things. So, in this particular sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, people think that for punyam and papam, merits and demerits, good things and bad things also, Atma is the reason or Atma is the cause. Why they think that? Because all body-mind complex are the cause, the real cause for the actions, performing actions, executing actions and enjoying the actions are so body-mind complex. Why? That is the truth, but they think that Atma is the reason, Atma is the cause. That is because their Jnanam is covered by Ajnanam. Because of Ajnanam they are deluded. The delusion comes because of Ajnanam. Because of Ajnanam they think that Atma is the cause or Atma is the reason for everything or Atma does everything. That is not the truth. That's all Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says in this particular sloka. Atma is akarta, Atma is abhokta, all those things. So Bhagavan Krishna already explained in the earlier sloka, also in the previous chapters. Here the Jantavaha means normal people, they are deluded because of Ajnanam, because Jnanam is covered, Jnanam is hidden. Because of that, Jnanam is hidden means what exactly? They are not able to get the Jnanam because of Ajnanam. Then what is the solution? To remove Ajnanam, what is the solution? To come out from the delusion, what is the solution? To get the Jnanam. That is the no, there is no other shortcut or there is no alternative way. That is the only way. So, how the dark should go, light should come. That's it, simple. How hunger should go, you should eat something. That's the only way. There is no other shortcut or there is no alternative way. The same way, Ajnanam should be removed by Jnanam. When Jnanam appears, all delusion will go. You will understand everything in the right way. The karta is being done by body-mind complex. The karma, all karmas are being done by body-mind complex. Even the karma palam also being enjoyed by deham, by mind, by buddhi. Oh, I am happy. These all those things. That means you will clearly understand Atma is not responsible for anything. That's all Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says in this particular sloka. The papam, punyam or any other thing also, it is not, Atma not takes care of. Because Atma is not responsible or Atma is not the cause. Because of this, why we understand in this way? We understand Atma is the cause for everything. That is because of Ajnanam. When we have Ajnanam, naturally all people will be deluded, will be Ajnani. So to become a Jnani, you have to remove Ajnanam from you. That is the only way, Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. So tomorrow we shall see 16th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.